Everyone talks about Italian food, but just across the water is an island with flavors no one's telling you about.
Oh, that's good. That is amazing.
From a pastry so flaky it shatters when you bite it, to the best sandwich you've never heard of, and a sweet treat snack that's over 100 years old.
Join us as we meet with a Maltese local and go on a big Maltese food tasting tour. We find the best places to eat traditional Maltese food when you're on the island. All right, well, we're starting the traditional food tour, and this is our guide, Chris.
Good morning.
Thank you for
And welcome to Malta, welcome to Valletta, welcome to our food tour. We'll try all the Maltese foods, all the foods the Maltese would eat at these hours of the days while we walk around Valletta, while we discover this beautiful city. Their breakfast is pastizzi. Not that we eat it every day because of cholesterol effects, but when you're on holiday, you shouldn't think about that, so that to the side. But the pastizzi are a filo pastry. It's stuffed inside originally with ricotta. But then there's another version which probably is a British influence on us, mushy peas.
Oh.
I'll get you trying both of them and you'll decide yourself which one of the two you like best.
Okay.
Because it's like a national divide. The Maltese are divided on whether to like one or the other.
All right, so this is the ricotta one?
This is the ricotta one. They're fresh, they're just cooked, they're warm.
They are still warm. Warm breakfast pastizzi with ricotta, number one. Looks very flaky. That's flaky. That's so good.
We invite some friends with our pastizzi. Lots and lots of friends.
The British influence is just one of a long list of different conquerors who have taken over the Maltese Islands, leaving their mark, leaving their influence on the island. So every one of these conquerors would bring their food for them to eat and influence what becomes Maltese food eventually, including pastizzi and everything else which is Maltese, which we're going to be trying today.
Let's go mushy peas with curry.
Peas.
Is there one that you think is a wrong answer?
I'll tell you later. I can't tell you. Can't influence.
Anything of mushy peas.
Way better than London mushy peas. Am I allowed to say that?
You're winning points with that one.
I like the curry.
Remember, everything is in line with this mentality of building a city after a siege, expecting the enemy returning for revenge. Green boxes is located. Whenever you see in the cards in boxes, that's important. You see with all the stickers and all. This is the end of October, start of November. It's pomegranate. If you want to create, you first obviously make a skeleton shape in which you fit this fire and silver. Beautiful.
It's pretty good, yeah. Let's try that first.
It's very good. It's very refreshing, let's put it this way, because it's got a bittersweet. Chinotto. Italy, they have chinotto similar to this.
Let's try it out. Oh, that's good. It kind of reminds me of like Aperol a little bit. A little bit.
In fact, we do a kidney spritz with that.
I saw that.
3 smashed inside and then it's deep fried. And it's really good.
I was really excited about this one because I love dates. So deep fried dates. It's like a roll cookie. That's really cool.
We were taking away various items from Turkish ships in the Mediterranean. So remember, we were looting the Ottoman ships and bringing whatever was on board to the island, and we had a presence of coffee over here, which the Turkish slaves in Valletta knew perfectly well how to use. It was very bitter coffee, Robusta beans. Now, Robusta bean is a very bitter coffee, and you didn't have much choices back then. So to sweeten it, the obvious thing today in our minds is putting sugar in it. But sugar costed too much. So what did they do? To sweeten it, they added cloves and aniseed. The glasses are transparent glasses. This is not like the cup and saucer.
Yes.
Because that's the way the Maltese have their coffee. Coffee and tea nowadays. That's how it's served.
In this?
A transparent glass.
Okay.
An Arabic tradition again, introduced by the
Airbnb
States.
doesn't have any coffee mugs. Like, why do we have no coffee mugs? Only these.
You sip on.
That's good.
Enjoy.
We missed our bigger coffees in Italy. Oh, that's nice. You can really taste the clove and anise. It's different than Turkish coffee because we've had it and it's very like, you can see the scent.
It's less thick.
It's less thick. Yeah, it's almost like soup, like Turkish coffee is. This is like normal coffee. So this is Maltese coffee, right? Or chocolate.
Coffee chocolate with the spices inside it.
This kind of reminds me of like this spices.
Because that's skinnet.
Oh, olive oil chocolate. It looks smoother. Just like looking at it. Let's try it. That's so smooth.
Heard cheeselet? The pepper will hit you last because the tastes will come one after the other. My favorite.
Cheese chocolate. I don't know. Wow. Wow. I'm really getting goat cheese, which is amazing with chocolate. Need some like red wine. Oof. Now there's the pepper.
To the north coast, the Soil Pans, spectacular place.
Salt pans there? I can see it. Look at it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that saltiness. I love salt. I like that. I love salty things. It's very smooth. A little grainy, salty, sweet and salty.
70% liquid chocolate. It's balanced with sugar, and the cacao, the chocolate, is from Madagascar.
Big and drinking chocolate, right? Mixed together. I mean, booze and chocolate, yes. Oh, that's good. That is amazing. I didn't know how vegan chocolate would be, but that's like, that could go down really easy. That could be a problem.
What's your dear, babe?
I'm small, but not that small. Nope, can't do it.
You get out.
Nancy Small. To make this sweet in the shape of a pot, I can assure you it's to die for.
Is it marzipan or something?
It's not exactly, but very similar. You'll see when you try it's really good. We love it.
Try it? Alright. Traditional bone cookie, so it's like a crunchy cookie, right? With almond mix.
Crunchy, not too crunchy, because you'll see.
Oh.
Sauce.
It is like marzipan, but better. Less fake.
Always better. She's winning all the points now.
It doesn't have that fake almond taste. Like it tastes like real almond.
Because it's real.
Yeah, really good. The cookie is very like crispy but soft. I got a bone to pick with you. I'm yelling. But it's so good it'll kill you.
Look at this.
Ice cream time. Well, if you're wondering why ice cream on a traditional Maltese food tour, well, ice cream is like synonymous with the whole world. But the old headmaster of Malta lived in one of these houses, and he'd want to come out and sit on his balcony and eat ice cream in this very square. So we're going to be Maltese and do the same.
The plan is there was a fridge. Oh, ow. Creamy, it's a fridge.
But how do they make one?
A fridge. Wood, marble inside, marble keeps cool. Doors and shelves.
It's good.
So there's cultural events in the place. Downstairs is run as a restaurant to fund the place at the same time. So yes, we even asked while sitting over here and trying all this food. We're helping a volunteer organization and the community itself. It's great servicing.
I love that.
The Chisp gets its name from the fact that the family running the brewery was the same family who started off banking in Malta and Czech payments, which the Maltese would corrupt to become Chisp. Chisp. So Chisp is the corruption of Czech, which became the nickname of the family running the bank. And when that family opened a brewery, what else should they call a beer if not their nickname? Chisp. And it became the very famous Maltese beer. One of the beers, but the most famous of them all.
Cheers. This is I do it. Oh, that's nice. Is this Maltese?
Yes, it is.
Very fresh. Very
I
right.
think it's the Chardonnay they bring normally.
It's good.
F-D-I-R-A. Fira.
Is that the full thing or just the bread?
The whole thing. So
Or
we...
the traditional filling?
Yes. This is the way we fill it traditionally. Right? Sometimes we put tomatoes. It depends on the person as well. But it's very good. The capers are very good. Very tasty.
Tomato, tuna, plus olives and capers are really nice. Very salty. So it is very light. The bread, really soft. Oh, very flavorful. That's really good. Try
Fava beans, onions. There's lots of different spices. So it's very, very good.
kind of for it.
It feels free.
Use my finger?
Yeah.
Like this? Wow. Nice. That's just the beans.
It's better than it looks.
Yeah, it is. It's very spiced.
We love it.
Perfectly salty. That's really good.
The olives are stuffed with tuna.
Traditional Maltese olives stuffed with tuna and bark.
The lacquer one is obviously the one with the pepper, which we mentioned, and we tried in the chocolate, but not we tried without the chocolate.
You're right, it isn't like fully cooked, right?
Very nice.
Very little. All right.
Just so as the doctor across the table from you doesn't realize.
It's good.
Taste it.
Yeah. I made the sausage. It's delicious. Very spiced.
It's a sesame seed and
Taste.
sweet
Like to be
taste. Tahini, yes, that's all it is exactly. Very good.
halwa or halva in other places. Soft, tahini style of the sweet. They're super soft. They're gonna that sesame nutty flavor. Little crunchy almonds. It's nice that way. And everything else, see this. Love this. Well, that food tour was absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10, recommend. But there's so much more of Malta to explore in the food and the sites. So make sure you hit like, please subscribe, and check out our next video.